Hi, this is Doug Kreinik, and today we're going to make a friendship bracelet in a very popular color, pink. So the way to make a friendship bracelet is to measure a wrist. Usually wrists are around 7 inches, so we're going to take 7 times 3, which is 21. So I've pre-cut these at 21 inches, and so we're going to take the first thread and we're going to knot that together. So we're going to just make a simple knot here and knot it together. And we're going to make a loop. The whole deal is to make loops. So here we have our first loop. Then the second loop, we're going to take another pink. We have 2 different pink colors here. And we're going to make a knot here, and so we'll have 2 different loops. So we have 2 loops. And I always tell kids, what do they call this? And they go, what? And I say, loop-de-loop. So I'm going to have my first person hold that end, and I'm going to grab the quarter, and what we're going to take this device right here. This is our quartering device. We're going to take that and we're going to twist this up. And now what you need to do is to pull it towards you, keep the tension going, because tension, and the one trick is don't let go. Okay, so we're going to twist this up, and to test it, we're going to grab it here and see if it bunches up like that, and see how it bunches up? That means it's ready to go. So see that bunching? So that's ready to go. And if it gets too much torque, you just back it off a little bit. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hand this to my other assistant over here. Keep the tension on. And I'm going to pick up the next threads. And I'm going to put the next thread in the center here. And what we'll do is we will make another loop. Again, it's all loops. And with loops, when you end up, you're going to end up with stripes. This is a good tool to make any trims, but I really enjoy making friendship bracelets. So we're going to take this, and we're going to twist this up. And that one you don't have to twist as much. Now we're going to take that, hold that there. Now I'm going to take the fourth thread. I'm going to do like a saddle right there. I'm going to pull this in, make another loop. Make this other loop through here. And now I'm going to twist this one up. And we have instructions on our website on how to even put beads on here. So the beads always come on top. I'm going to twist that up, and now this is the trick. You put this in the center, put your finger over top the hook, then you want to grab the ends and don't let go until I grab them. Grab, grab, and now everything is held down. We move our fingers up and we let go. And there is your twist like that. See how even it is? Now what we're going to do, we're going to take the hook out, and we're going to knot it up one end here. We're going to knot this up like this. The more threads you use, the more stripes you have, the more thread you need. And then we're going to just shove this through here, and we're going to make a little friendship bracelet. And there we have it. Thank you.